A semi-furnished 1 BHK property on the third floor, and the flat number is 301, and which is completely semi-furnished, north facing one. This is your hall area, and you do also get one table in the hall area, and you will be getting power backup inverter here, and you have one western type washroom, and this is the commode and geyser, sink, and there is a mirror in there. This is completely your wash room. This is your bedroom. So in the bedroom you will get a wardrobe. This is the wardrobe, and you do also get a mirror, and a fan will be there, and light. Again I'm coming to the hall area, and you do also have washing area here. This is the utility washing area, and you have here modular kitchen. This is a modular kitchen, one exhaust fan, one window is there, and your gas pipeline will be here. The cylinder will be placed on the ground floor. Okay, this is a completely 1 BHK north facing villa, and it is open for family and bachelors. Now as of now, this flat is booked by one of my tenant. So this is the completely 1 BHK.